Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the Notepad++. It's the Notepad++ on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Edge browser. So type Edge, click on that under the best match, maximize it. In the search bar, simply type Notepad++, hit enter, and you'll find the first option from notepad dash plus dash plus.org. Click on that, download Notepad++. And here you'll find this downloads. You have here at the current version 8.7.9. So we are going to download the latest version. You also have a lot of versions in here. But anyway, we are going to download the latest version. So simply click on this on the left pane, current version. And here you have to download the installer file. You have here for 32-bit, ARM64. So depending on the architecture of your Windows, I am in a 64-bit, so I'm going to download the installer for the 64-bit. Now the installer file will be downloaded. So after that, just click on that and then close the browser. Now you have to select the language. So I'm going to go with English language, but you can go with any language that you prefer. There's no problem for that. Click on OK. Now click on Next. Click on I agree to continue. You can also browse for the destination folder, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. Click on Next. Click on Next again and click on Install. You can also create a shortcut by checking the box where it states Create Shortcut. Click on Finish. And now we have just installed the Notepad++ into our Windows. So you have this, but you can always delete this. This is for the version of your Notepad++. Also a little info about it. Then you can click on this save button if you want to change your file. You can also have here file, which is open or new. So you have a new blank file. Now you have a lot of tools in here. You have for file, edit, search, view, encoding, language, settings, tools, macro, run, plugins, and window. And a lot of tools in here that you can choose or that you can use to utilize while you are creating a document in here. If you want to save it, you have the option to save it. If you want to edit it, you have the option to edit it. So that's it. That's how you can easily install the Notepad++ into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.